This video is going to demonstrate how to manually create an Each Carton. So typically Each Cartons should not be created manually, but should rather be synced over from your data sync provider. But this video is provided in the rare instance that you may need to create an Each Carton manually. So an Each Carton is different from an Each package. An Each Carton is usually a really large product, such as a refrigerator, a bicycle, a washer or a dryer, maybe a crib, and it's sold in the same box that it's being shipped in. Because it's being sold in the same box it's being shipped in, it requires both a retail marking number and a shipping marking number. So to get started with creating an Each Carton, we're going to hover over Create and then click Each. So you'll need to complete all the information on this page. We're going to enter our retail marking number and select the marking number format. And then we are going to select our order dones. And then our SHC division. Our merchant name. And then we're going to select our category and our subcategory. Next, we need to respond to some questions in regards to chemical and California Prop 65. If you do not know the answers to these questions, please reach out to someone at your company that knows your product better. Once all of this information has been completed, we're going to click Add Package. So on this page, it's asking us if this is a shippable carton. So right here, you'll see an example of where you'd select yes would be if you were shipping TVs or car seats, which are shipped in their own large boxes and sold to the consumer in that shipping box. So that is describing an Each Carton. Since we're creating an Each Carton, we're going to select yes, and then we're going to update the shipping marking number. And then we're going to click Create Package. Now we have to enter the description, the brand, and then select the answers for the EAS tag required indicator and click Save. This is going to pop up asking you to confirm the description. You can click yes. And next we should see the Edit Each Carton Package page display. There we go. So you can see next to package type it says Each Carton. We can see that the retail marking number we entered as well as the shipping marking number we entered are here. We do have to enter some more information about this item. We're going to start off with our dimensions and our weights. Then we need to select the hazard storage code. Our HTS code, I don't know what it is, so I'm going to click the magnifying glass so I can search. Enter your country of origin code. Again, if you don't know this, just click the magnifying glass so you can search for it. And then because of the division that I selected, I also have to enter information about the warranty. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this. And then I'm going to click Save. So depending on the division that you're setting up your product in, you may have some different fields that are required. Just make sure that you do complete all of the required fields as indicated by the red asterisk. Alright, so next thing we need to do is create a vendor pack for this Each Carton. So I'm going to click the vendor pack page, and then I'm going to click Add Vendor Pack. From here, we need to select our shipping package, and then our DUNS number. Then we can select our flow type, and then our primary store format. Scroll down the page, I'm going to enter my vendor stock number. And then you can always update your vendor description if you would like to. Enter the order quantity multiple. Select the order quantity unit of measure. And then over on the right side, we're going to select our projected first in-store date. Alright, so if I scroll down the page, because I selected DC as the flow type, it went ahead and defaulted to a tier. And that tier indicates which DC locations the product will be going to. So here we can see these are all of our DC locations that this product's going to be headed towards. Next to that, we see ship point. So there's only one ship point available for this done, so it was automatically selected. If you have more than one ship point available, you will have to select it, and this just lets us know where we are coming to pick up the product from you. So you could select it up here, and then you can also enter your cost up here as well. And then you can click Apply to All and click OK to confirm, and it'll apply that information to all of the DC locations. So here, instead of entering that cost individually, I just did it once and hit Apply to All, and now it's been applied to all of those locations. So once we've completed everything on the Vendor Pack tab, go ahead and click Save. Then we should be able to go to the Workflow tab. There we go. Alright, so click the Workflow tab. Oops. There we go. Then we're going to select Check for Errors and click the Check for Errors button. I only got a warning back. Warnings can always be ignored, so there's nothing to resolve. So I'm going to select Approve and click Submit and Ignore Warnings. So now I have manually created and approved an Each Carton through the vendor role.